getting the layout of the land. My client, Mark Broussard, getting ready to perform. So, you know, first thing you want to do is like, if y'all shoot like any of my video people or photographers, you know, if you're shooting content for a musician, an artist, first thing you want to do is like, they usually get to these venues like really early, sometimes days before, to do sound check, you know, to check the levels, get used to the space and all this and that. And you want to take that same time, you know, when it's not like a lot of high energy moments that you would want to be capturing on camera otherwise. You want to take that time to get the lay of the land, figure out like I call them like your duck off spots. Dang, look at that. They bricked in this door and this window. But you always want to find like your duck off spots so that you know where you can get like good angles, good shots of the audience, good shots of the musicians or your, you know, whoever the focus point is, but like without being in somebody's way, like without being in the sound guy's way, without like having too many wire hazards and tripping hazards, or, you know, and you also want to let the audience or the people that's paying to see your client have the chance to enjoy themselves, since they did probably pay to see him, you know. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm getting the lay of the land, figuring out which doors go where I could take a break without people knowing, you know, the whole nine. And they disappeared. They took the elevator. Let's see what the elevator do. Let's see what that do. Oh, I lie. I'm not gonna take the elevator. So I want y'all to see the stairs. This place is really cool. Yeah, I'm just doing a walkthrough. I'm trying to figure out how to get to that balcony, figure out where all these doors go. Like I'm going somewhere I'm not supposed to. Oh, stairs to balcony. Well, museum. I don't know why I just read my show like a card.
I don't know either. I might just go. You got the walkies?
Yeah, I don't walk with somebody.
No, I'm tripping. That's on me.
Baby. Damn. This is like the old electric box. Like, you know, the breaker box.
Hell no. You can't believe it used to be that big.
It looked like a fire hazard.
Yeah, small electronics is new. It used to be like this big. This one here is upstairs.
This from the original. She built this in this.
She made it upstairs.
Yeah, I'm just wondering what like videos and photography gonna be like. That's what I'm thinking, right? But I'm sure they'll say the same thing.
Yo. Boy. But they got this big curtain. That thing scared the crap out of me, I ain't gonna lie. These just look like some sketchy stairs, to be honest. I thought that was a ghost waiting up there for me.
Oh wow. I guess it's the balcony, huh?
There's the balcony door.
Oh.
That's true what they say. You don't want to put a person that knows how to do
Mark, we'll see you after 5.
Okay, Mark, we're gonna go too.
What is a
Call if you need, okay?
There's a little VIP section. Boy, look.
How's it going, sound man? Good, man. How you doing? Doing all right.
Man, this is a steep incline.
Isn't that weird?
It's so weird to walk on.
Can you imagine? And you see that pipe that's on the railing?
Yeah.
That wasn't there before.
Oh no.
They made it add that.
Man.
That was originally was made of wood. Now, and this was done when they reopened.
Right.
So it was open till 1940 without that.
You think anybody ever fell off?
But remember this also. People were much smaller back then.
Right, that's true.
They really were. It's weird, but you know, the seats were smaller back then. They were 18 inch. I think these are like 20 or 22.
Right. So how old is this? How old is it? Like when was it first operating as a theater?
1901.
1901?
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's 120 years old.
Oh my god.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
And look, when they refurbish it, they refurbish it to original.
Right.
I can tell you what's not original. Of course, the seats. The curtains,
Right.
the lights, the sound, air conditioning, and heat.
And everything else is
This
original.
rug.
And
These roads up down the aisles.
That's
And
crazy.
They had to flatten out that area for handicap.
Right.
They did that. But the stairway on up, it's the colors are original, the ceilings all original.
That's crazy,
And
man.
that it's amazing, man.
How old is
They
this
did a
place?
wonderful job.
120 years old.
That's crazy.
When they did it, they had enough lights to duplicate the lights that they had here, you know.
Right.
So it's something.
This exit is fire exit, huh? Like this, I go this way to stay inside.
Yes. Did you go through that area?
I came. Well, I came through over there. So I came through those stairs.
Well, when you go out and go through there, the steps are like this wide.
Yeah, that's how those steps were over there.
No, those steps are good. Wait till you see those.
Those are more now.
Oh, wait till you see that.